Preposition is a word which placed before noun. It shows the relationship of a person or thing. Not only shows the relationship of person or pronoun, it shows place, time and direction. Now let's see some prepositions and their use. Between. It means in the middle of. When we talk about two persons or things, we should use between. Example, he sat between his two friends. Among. It means when we talk about more than two persons or things, we have to use among preposition. Example, I distributed chocolates among my friends. Here, friends means more than two persons. Beside. It means one side. Example, I sat beside my friend. Besides. It means in addition. In addition means extra. Example, I can speak English besides Telugu. At. It is used to indicate a place. Example, there were hundreds of people at park. Here the park is place. She is at library. Here library is a place. At is used to point out specific time. Example, I will meet you at 12 p.m. Here 12 p.m. is specific time. Next, the bus will start at 8:45 a.m. Next, class starts at 7 a.m. Here 7 a.m. is specific time. At is used with noon, night and midnight. Example, he eats lunch at noon. The stars twinkle at night. Next example, they go to bed at midnight. Preposition in. Use before big cities and places. Example, I live in Hyderabad. You can take any big cities. Before big cities, we should use in preposition. In is used before months, years and seasons. Example, Gandhiji was born in 1869. Here 1869 is year. India got independence in 1947. The weather is cold in December. In December is the month. Before seasons, we should use preposition in. Last example, in summer, in winter, in rainy season. Preposition into. The person or things in motion position. It means moving position. At that time, we should use preposition into. Example, she jumped into the river. The tiger is going into forest. She walked into the class. Here into means entering position. Preposition on. It means the person or things in rest position. Example, the book is on the table. On is used before days and dates. Example, I go to temple on Monday. Here on Monday is day. Our exams starts on 2nd March. Here on 2nd March is date. Preposition behind. It means the position of backside. Where backside meaning is coming, at that time we have to use behind. Example, the blackboard is behind the teacher. Preposition of. It refers separation. Example, the boy fell off by bicycle. Preposition about. It means it indicates situation. Example, I was about to leave. Preposition against. In the meaning of opposition. Example, Pakistan is against to India. Preposition by. We have to use preposition by to indicate mode of action. Example, the Ramayana is written by Valmiki and in the passive voice. Example, the report was submitted by me. Towards. It means in the direction of. Example, the boy is walking towards railway station. Preposition with. It is used before nouns used as instruments. Example, a man hit the dog with a stick. Here, stick is noun and instrument also.